New Year's Eve! It's gonna be 2010.
Yes, tonight is New Year's Eve, and it will be 2010
next
midnight.
couple hours.
It's 10 o'clock, so we have 2 hours, and we're pretty much partying.
Woo!
Yes.
Taking pictures and videos. Dancing, taking videos when people are dancing and they don't know that other people are taking videos.
Definitely uploading these because they're hilarious of her acting out in the mirror, dancing. It's funny.
I'm hiding. I just can't stop looking at myself. I'm sorry.
Can't stop looking at you too either. You're so ugly. End the video. That's a good one. Feeling like P. Diddy. Some milk.
Is she in a video?
Yeah.
Never mind. Help! Never mind.
You're so fine, I want you, man, you're so delicious. I think about you all the time, you're so addictive. Don't you know what I can do to make you feel alright? Don't pretend I think you know I'm damn precious. And hell yeah, I'm the motherfucking princess. I can tell you like I do, and you know I'm right.
You know, you're stuck in the cat hole. Yes, who has this on video?
I can't get it. Ow! Oh, my shirt.
You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, it's a party in the USA.
Luke, I am your father.
This is Dana trying to stay awake all night. It's, what time? It's about 1:30. New Year's Eve. And she's doing a pretty good job right now of trying to stay awake. How you feeling?
Good. Tag.
Tag. No tag backs.
Tag backs.